gusto ng mga tao. So,
bye-bye natin.
Hi guys, welcome to Amazing Commute. So it's a new series of Pop Cycle where we'll be showing 3 modes of transportation. Janardan will be taking public transportation, I will be taking the car, and Leandro will be taking the e-bike.
Okay, time check, 12:50 p.m. Ready, set, go! Ride safe, bye-bye, ingat.
Hey guys!
Okay, so papunta kami sa parking ngayon. And dahil same yung dadaanan, magkasama kami ni Leandro.
Start na tayo mag-record. So malayo-layo yung lalakarin namin galing sa galing dito sa Triangle papuntang One Ayala. Sa totoo lang wala akong idea kung saan sasakay at paano yung commute papunta from Ayala Triangle hanggang sa Venice.
Before we ride out, we have to meet with a friend at McDonald's on the other side of the street. Since there's no ground level pedestrian crossing, I don't have a choice but to carry this 24-kilogram electric bike down and up the stairs.
Mga mirror. Okay. Bayad tayo ng parking. Siyempre, pag kotse, may bayad yung parking kahit wala pa kaming one way. May spotted kaming L3, sila Leandro. Left dito. Mga kasama namin, magkikita-kita kami. Ayan sila, oh. Ayan sila. Ayan sila yan. So, yan, nauna na sila. Walang stoplight.
Okay, so dito, ginagawa pa lang yung underpass, pero tatawid lang tayo sa Ayala, kailangan natin mag-underpass kasi walang at-grade crossing doon. Okay, so underpass pa lang nagagawa natin, hindi pa tayo nakasakay ng public transport.
Okay, so yung point ng Amazing Commute is mapakita natin yung time we can save depende sa mode of transportation na pipiliin natin.
Yan dito, hindi pa dumadaan, so malamang mas mabilis talaga maglakad.
Challenges I faced when biking here on McKinley Road is that the lanes are narrow and traffic is fast moving. My advice for beginners is to never stay right beside the gutter.
Time check.
1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
Yes, so it's been 10 minutes since we left Paseo de Rojas.
And where are we at?
Still here.
So time check, andito pa lang tayo sa underpass, hindi pa tayo nakakasakay. 1 PM na.
Still in the same area na mag-right turn kami. It's been what? Malapit na mag 5 minutes.
So tatawid na ng One Ayala. Malapit na kami makasakay ng bus.
We didn't make it sa stoplight. So another stoplight, guys. So antay ulit tayo. Ayan. We're still 500 meters away from the starting point.
Itong dugtong. Okay, sige. Thank you.
Sinusundan lang namin si Waze. So sa McKinley Road kami pinapadaan. Sinuwerte kami. So we're shooting the Amazing Commute during window, hindi siya window hour, but during oras na walang traffic masyado, nasa office pa lahat. So medyo may fair game.
Anong sasakyan namin kung papunta ng Venice, Grand Canal? Time check 1:10. Nandito pa lang kami palabas ng One Ayala.
It's been 20 minutes since we left the starting point. Nasa McKinley Road kami, turning in. Marami kasi ang konsepto ng comparing modes of transportation, magkakalaban. Hindi yan magkakalaban. Actually, public transport and active mobility go hand in hand.
Central, tanong lang natin. Excuse me, pwede magtanong po? Saan ang baba namin kung papunta kami Venice?
Bus stop.
First bus stop, baba na kami. Huli kong bus stop, ay bus ride, provincial, papuntang Tarlac.
Hindi porke nagtitrain ka, nagbabus ka, hindi ka na magbabike. Or hindi porke nagbabike ka, you're limited to just taking your bike everywhere and anywhere. So hindi ganun yon. And pag may kotse ka naman, hindi rin ibig sabihin pupunta ka lang sa tindahan na nasa labas lang ng subdivision nyo, magkukotse ka pa. So this is why we want to show yung time that you can save and yung efficiency depending on the mode of transportation that you chose.
It's already, we left Ayala Triangle Gardens at around 12:50 and now it's 1:16. Oh, the commute is very simple, straightforward, and relaxing. I didn't get tired as much because I was using an electric bike also. And that's one of the things I love about cycling. It's one of the most direct and simplest ways to get around. It's like walking, but 3 times faster.
Transport ka, between public transport and bike, papawisan ka din kasi sa public transport, di ba? Kasi ang layo nung nilakad natin eh. So ako, since papawisan ka naman parehas, doon ako sa bike. Mas consistent yung travel time. Mas mabilis. Kahit na hindi faster eh, kumbaga, yung travel time mo hindi masyado nagbabago. Sabi mo parehas silang 20 minutes sa normal situations, pero pag sa public transport, nag-iiba-iba, ang daming variables. So time check, 1:20, kakaalis pa lang namin sa bus stop.
Ayan, time check, sakto,
Wait. Time check. 1:20.
1:20, so it's been 30 minutes. Nasa parking na kami, although yung first level ng parking puno. Bumaba kami, hopefully dito meron ng parking.
Baba po. So bumaba na kami sa bus, sasakay kami ngayon ng jeep papunta sa Venice. Gate 3 daw.
One of the things that people don't realize about biking is the sheer amount of time that you can save. Think about it, instead of being stuck in traffic, going home, you could be working, you could be spending time with your family, or you could be like me and just sleep. Hey, there's Fridays.
Okay. We're walking inside the mall. 1:30, guys. And we are here in Fridays, but...
Finally, so it took us 40 minutes. We're here.
Yup.
Pero sana nandito na yung mga kasama namin.
Fridays.
Ayan na sila!
Oh!
Leandro's here and
Time check, 1:30.
Walang traffic at all. So the video shows walang traffic at all.
We arrived here 1:30. It took us
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
So yun, malayong lakad ulit tayo. Galing dito sa kanto ng Loton, papuntang Venice. Lalakarin natin yun. So parang yung tinagal natin mag-antay dun sa jeep, parang ganun din kung nilakad natin. So yun, kaya importante rin yung mga maayos na sidewalk. Yung kumbaga, kahit pa paano functional, nalalakaran, kung pwede covered ng puno. Kasi yun nga, yung public transport natin, hindi naman siya magkakadikit, hindi siya tuloy-tuloy eh. Maraming times na maglalakad ka, either from one stop to the next, or kunyari, pag bababa ka, dun sa last mile ng pupuntahan mo. Kasi karamihan naman ng public transport natin, hindi sakto dun sa pinakadadaanan eh. Nandito na tayo sa, sa mall, pero ang talagang stop natin is TGI Fridays. So yun, medyo maglalakad pa tayong konti.
Welcome.
Hello.
So nakarating kami at 1:47 p.m.
Which is 1 hour.
1 hour. Yun naman na in-expect natin.
1:50 after 1 hour, magkakasama na kami dito sa meet-up point sa destination. So it took him 1 hour. It took him
30 minutes.
30 minutes and it took me 40 minutes on a car from Paseo de Rojas, Ayala Triangle to our destination here in Venice. Siguro yung biggest hindrance for me was really the parking situation. So considering na hindi weekend ngayon, work hours ngayon, karamihan nasa offices ngayon, nahirapan na kami maghanap ng parking. So how much more pag nagpasyal kayo ng pamilya nyo on a weekend or after work hours, pahirapan talaga ngayon, especially December ngayon, Christmas season, lahat ng tao
The
nagmo-mall.
ride was simple, straightforward, and chill lang because I was on an e-bike.
Parehas lang yung pinagpawisan ako netong public transport. Kami nga pawis na pawis kami pagdating sa One Ayala kasi nilakad namin. Kahit naman mag-jeep ka dun, medyo papawisan ka rin. we have to improve public transport systems. Hindi siya pwedeng sobrang hirap. Otherwise, mas marami magkokotse, mas lalo tayo masustuck sa traffic lahat hanggang wala ng galawan dito sa Metro
So
Manila.
if you have suggestions guys of what routes to feature sa Amazing Commute episodes namin, suggest lang kayo, message us, leave a comment, if i-feature namin yan. And if you have other modes of transportation na pwede naming isingit, suggest nyo lang, we're open to suggestions, and hopefully you'll enjoy the next episodes that will come out.